Hello, in front of me I've got Subaru Impreza 3. In this video I'll tell you how to check hidden menu in this car. In the beginning, turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Now you have to press and hold the trip reset button. After a few seconds, the diagnostic menu will appear with the voltage, temp, readings and more. This is useful for quick checks on battery and system status. Unfortunately, not all the trims have traditional diagnostics menu available. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.